Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find a search history on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, you're simply gonna go ahead and access your particular Instagram app. Then you're gonna tap on this little search icon and tap on this search icon. Now I'm gonna go ahead and randomly search something. Let's say that's what I search. I'm gonna go back, and if I'm from the home section, again tap on the search icon, go to search bar, and I will find the result that I recently searched. Right, if you want to see your whole search history, you can go ahead from this section, again search bar, tap on see all, and you will find all of the recent searches of your all of the searching history right there. Likewise, you can choose to clear them all or leave it like that. That's how you can do it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.